First time at the gas pump? I'll take you through step by step. First, make sure you know what side your gas cap is on. It shows on your fuel gauge. Mine is on the left. Make sure to always turn your engine off. Open your gas cap. Now you can exit. You can see it's open. Now pay inside or at the pump. Twist counterclockwise to open the cap. Now you can begin fueling. Remove the nozzle and place it fully into the fuel filler neck. Press the button to start fueling. It is crucial to use the correct fuel. Refer to your owner's manual or sometimes the gas cap to see. Pull the trigger on the nozzle to begin pumping. It will automatically stop when it reaches the paid amount or when it is full. You can see the progress here. When you hear a click, you can take out the nozzle. Don't forget to close the gas cap by twisting clockwise until you feel a click. Now close the fuel filler door. Lastly, turn the car back on. You can see how much you filled up on the fuel gauge. Now you can pump gas with confidence.